Hello dear friends, this is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video I want to show and tell you how to disable notifications in the Facebook application on your iPhone or iPad. The method is very simple, nothing complicated. You do not even need to go to Facebook. You just need to go to the settings of your iPhone. Now here you will need to scroll a little bit up, click on search, and in the search write Facebook, open it, and here you have an item. Notifications, you open it, and here you can disable these notifications for this click. Allow notification, turn off. Now we will not receive notifications from Facebook or you can them in the account. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. Nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.